Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of iRobot Roomba J7 Plus. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know our final verdict if this robot vacuum is worth it. iRobot Roomba J7 Plus Overview. iRobot Roomba J7 Plus is equipped with smart technology to perform exceptional cleaning activities. However big or small your room is, and whether it has not been cleaned in however long, you can trust that this device will do what it does best. The iRobot Roomba J7 Plus intelligence allows it to clean the areas that you've instructed by using mapping technology. The device can also detect and avoid obstacles using precision vision navigation. This machine sends you a photo once it identifies an obstacle and reacts to your instruction to avoid it. It also has a powerful suction that allows it to suction all the dirt, hair, pollen, and mold, and it even empties itself. What we liked: pet accidents and obstacle avoidance, powerful suction, ease of use. What we did not like: too noisy. Features: performance. This device's advanced technology allows it to offer effective cleaning. With outstanding suction ability, different brush systems for cleaning various floor textures. Roomba J7 Plus vacuum also comes with a smart dustbin, allowing it to self-empty the debris that it collects, saving even more time for you to focus on other tasks. Mapping technology. The Roomba can detect what's around it using navigation sensors and intelligence features. With this, it can avoid obstacles, find its way around objects, and clean in an organized manner. The machine also can be controlled remotely using apps, such as Alexa and other smart commands. Size and design. The iRobot Roomba J7 Plus comes in a compact size, suitable for navigating most areas of the house, and it makes storage easy. The machine is well built and super sleek, and its stylish design makes it a glorious gadget, saving you from worrying about storing it since, even on display, it makes a good show. Who is the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus best suited for? The iRobot Roomba J7 Plus is best suited for busy households and people who have pets, because it can help clean dirt and animal debris from your home. Verdict: should you get the iRobot J7 Plus? iRobot Roomba J7 Plus does emit noise during operation and might distract you from focusing on your work, or if you're watching a show on TV or whatever else that may require your focus. The robot also does not suction large debris, and you might have to clean those areas avoided by the Roomba. However, the efficiency of this device surpasses those cons. The iRobot avoids pet accidents and objects of all sizes, and in those cases, it sends you a photo to confirm the next move. The machine offers power suction of up to 10 times, which enables it to suction pet hair, dirt, and other tiny particles. So, you should buy the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus to vacuum your floors, especially if you struggle with pet hair. Thanks for watching.